Working in cybersecurity and need to access a YAR file containing YARA detection rules? These files power malware identification systems. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening and using YARA rules files for security analysis. We're going to try the quick and easy steps, but be aware, I've kept the most effective YAR file solution for the tough cases near the end. A .YAR file contains rules written for YARA, a tool aimed at helping malware researchers identify and classify malware samples. Security professionals create these text-based files to define patterns and signatures of malicious software, which are then used to scan files or memory for potential threats. The .YAR format is a plain text file with a specific syntax. It was designed to be human-readable and easily editable. The structure consists of rule identifiers, metadata, and conditions based on string patterns or binary content. This text-based design facilitates sharing and collaboration among security researchers. YARA from VirusTotal is the core program designed for the YAR structure. Windows can show the file exists but cannot perform color space correction or rendering. Windows displays the code, but proper handling requires a trusted scripting environment. Open the context menu by right-clicking your YAR file and choosing Open With. Try YARA first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error approach is critical for diagnosis. If you are still having trouble opening the YAR file, do not worry. Let's get the technical grounding straight. Before we jump to the universal solution, let's look at the specific reasons this YAR file is failing to load. First, opening for editing. Open YAR files in Visual Studio Code with the YARA syntax extension, which provides syntax highlighting and validation. Other editors like Sublime Text Notepad++ or Atom support YARA through community plugins. Configure the editor for proper YARA syntax recognition for productive rule development and review workflows. Next, running YARA scans. Install YARA from virustotal.github.io/YARA and use YARA-rule.ir target for command line scanning. Specify directories or files to scan against your YAR rules. Output identifies matching files indicating potential malware. Integrate YARA into security tools like RamNux-Sift or commercial platforms for automated threat hunting. Finally, testing and validation. Test YAR rules. Using YARA w-rule.ir samples for warning checks and YARAC for compiled rule output. Use VirusTotal hunting platform to test rules against their malware corpus for false positive analysis. The YARA CI service provides automated rule testing in CI/CD pipelines for security teams maintaining detection rule libraries. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.